Hey Marcus, it was a pleasure speaking with you earlier about your site. My name is Lee Turbienik, and as you know, I was doing some research in your area, came across your site, and figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. Not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear, become more interested on how I can help your business grow, give me a call back and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback at the end. Let's jump right into it. The 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically anything that is written on this home page of yours, all the wordage. And Google likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page. So as we scroll down, you do have some construction and repair experts, some content here, maybe 200 words on your home page, and not very viable for Google expectations. You got to think Google's just a crawling website and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information for your clients and for people visiting your site, they're not going to really want to rank you high because you're not really telling Google or your clients what they want to know. So that's the first tip I can give you. I do like your setup. I do suggest having a contact form up here in this header. It makes it easy for client conversions. They come to your site, boom, they can fill out their name, phone number, a little message letting you know why they're emailing you, and it gets sent directly to your email. Also, I don't see any clickable phone numbers anywhere. As far as your services, you do have your services listed, but we'll touch base on that stuff in a little bit. Some testimonials, you do have your contact form here at the bottom. I'd like to see another one at the top. I don't see a Google map anywhere, which is hurting your rankings because you got to tell Google where you want to be, who you're targeting, and it just helps in the overall process. But I did a quick search for home remodeling Jacksonville, Florida, as per requested, and you're not showing up anywhere in this map pack, and you're not showing up down here in this organic section. But who is in first place at this moment is this Sanford Design Builds. So I wanted to see what their site looked like. And not too bad of a site. They see they have a contact form right here, some nice pictures. And another tip, all your pictures, you'd want them saved as keywords. So if say your main keyword is home remodeling Jacksonville, you would want that in a heading right here. You would want your picture saved as home remodeling Jacksonville because you can rank for pictures. And you would also want it in your content bolded throughout. So that is telling Google, hey, I want to rank for this keyword. This is what I want to be found for, and you will. And they don't have much content though either, which is the main target on this conversation right here. So they have about 400 words. So if we were to go get that 1,500, we would easily beat them in that. But let's go back to this Google search. Google search is usually broke down into 3 aspects: your ads, this map pack, and this organic section. So when it comes to this map pack, Smarter Remodeling is in first place. Now I plugged in their information, and what ranks you here is a citation. Now a citation is your business name, the address, and phone number listed in directories all over the web, like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, BBB is one of them. So I wanted to see how many citations they actually have. So I have a local citation finder. I plugged in Smarter Remodeling's info, and they only have 28 citations to get that first place. And this is going to tell me exactly where they're getting them. And they're all submittable as well, so we can grab these for your business. Facebook, Bing, Yelp, BBB, Zillow, MapQuest, Manta, DMV. And as you notice, the power of them goes down. This is the rating. So Facebook's well known, it's going to be powerful. Bing, well known. Yelp, well known. Now as we get down here, nearme.vip, I've never heard of it. Low power. Contractorsup.com, low power. So we want to go after these strong ones and go. I suggest going to add 100 to 200 to your listing, optimizing it, which we can discuss further, and going up and beating these guys and getting up in this map pack, because about 30 to 40% of all clicks come from this section alone. So you're missing out by not ranking in the top 3 here. So that's the GMB. Now this bottom section, or organic section, is very detrimental, and this deals with your website. And what ranks you here is backlinks. Now a backlink is when another website links back to your website via a hypertext. So the more backlinks you have pointing at your website, the more trust you have in Google's eyes, because if other websites are willing to send their traffic to your website, that must mean you're somebody and you're doing something right, so they want you at the top. You got to think about it. If you're Joe Schmo with a website and that's it, versus the guy who has a website, he has a bunch of backlinks from all these different blogs and websites linking back to him, and he has all these citation sources all over Jacksonville. Who's going to rank first? Who's going to get the business? The guy with the most web. So now I wanted to see what kind of backlinks and stuff you have, so I put in this 1901contracting.com on my Ahrefs, and this is going to show me an overview of all the site stats. Your UR and DR are almost non-existent, which is not good. You only have 12 backlinks coming from 3 websites. You're ranking for 6 keywords only out of all of your services and all the different ways that they could be typed, and you're only getting about 26 traffic at the moment. So let's touch base on your keywords and see. So you're only ranking for your name, 19. This is people looking for you directly. We want to target the people who don't know you and who are looking for a home remodeling contractor, Jacksonville. And I'm going to show you an example of that. So here we are at the Sanderford's design build, 6 and 6. Terrible ratings. I mean, they're there by a thread, but look at their traffic because they are there. They only have 4 referring domains, 5 backlinks. Their organic keywords is 108. Let's see what you're missing out on now. This is the exact keywords that are being typed monthly and how many times that they're being typed and the positions. So let's see. Remodeling contractor, Jacksonville, Florida. 200 searches a month for this keyword alone. It's a 10 KD. 100 is the hardest to rank for. 10 is pretty easy. He's getting about 23 traffic in the 3rd position. So first position, you're probably getting 50 jobs alone just for being first in that section. Room additions, Jacksonville, Florida. 50 people are looking for room additions in Jacksonville, Florida every month. Room additions, Jacksonville, Florida. 50. Home remodeling, Jacksonville, Florida. 150 searches a month. Home additions, Jacksonville, FL. 30 searches for that. Home additions, Jacksonville, Florida. 30 searches. Remodeling, Jacksonville. 70. Remodeling contractors, Jacksonville. 70. Home remodeling contractors, Jacksonville, FL. 60. Remodeling companies, Jacksonville. I mean, the list goes on, and this is just for home remodeling. Can you imagine if we had all those keywords that you want to focus on, had them in your website, laid out beautifully in a heading, in your pictures, throughout your content, you start ranking for it, we start beating these guys in backlinks, you're going to be pulling so much traffic, you're not going to know what to do with yourself. And just for an example of that, this is a plumber website that we built. So his main keyword was plumber, Woodland Hills. So we got it in a heading, right? We got his contact form, beautiful website, all his service pages listed with the content, with keywords, his drain and sewer stuff, even his locations. But here's the content and keywords. Look, in a heading, Woodland Hills plumber. In the content, Woodland Hills plumber, plumber, Woodland Hills, plumber, Woodland Hills. Down here, highly rated plumber in Woodland Hills. Woodland Hills plumbers with the S. So as you can see, beautiful sites. He's in first place for a ton of keywords. I tripled his business within 3 months. Me and him were best friends, and yeah, I'm here to help, Marcus. I really want to help you, and I'd love to talk more. Let's just discuss what we talked about. First thing was content. We need 1,500 words on the homepage with all your keywords listed throughout so you can rank for them and get these numbers up, because right now you're only ranking for 6 keywords, not barely getting any traffic, and this could be, oh my gosh, this could be 2,600 by the time we're done. So that's content. The second thing was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories. We go get all the ones Smarter Remodeling had, and then we add 100, 200, get you up in this map pack, and boom, you're getting a crap ton more of organic traffic from this. And the third thing was backlinks. You need to beat your competition in relevant backlinks coming back to your website. And if you do all that, you'll take over Google in every aspect. So, my name is Lee Turbienic. My phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you. Give me a call back when you watch this, or just shoot me a text and we can set up a time whenever you're free. But thank you for watching, and I'm here for you, Marcus. Thanks, bye.